Hello YouTube, me, my bike and I here. I'm just working on the VF750F engine main shaft bearing housing. So I'm at a bit of a sticking point with it, to be honest. So yeah, this is the inside of it. So I'm waiting on some seals is the issue, because this is where the output shaft goes through. So it fits on right there, nice and clean as you can see. I just need to remove that little bit of gasket material where I put the two halves together. But yeah, it slots straight over there. So that is essentially your main seal, and I need to make sure that is good. I don't know how old that seal is. It could be the same age as this engine, which is about 40. But if that's not a good seal, it's not a major drama, because this is quite easy to get to. You've got obviously a gasket that goes all around the perimeter there. Then on the other side of this, of course, which is the outside of it, sits the sprocket cover, which I completely forgot I cleaned completely up, which I'll need to give a nice little polish to. I think I'm going to leave that bare aluminium, just polish it up though. So of course there's no gaskets this side, so I just need to replace that seal, and I've got a seal kit on order and I'm hoping that one is in there. Not entirely clear, and there's a couple of others, that little one there and that little one there and the mechanical seal there. So that one and that one, they're more like transfer ports, so it would only leak oil back into the engine, but that would lower the oil pressure, stop it from going where it's meant to be going. That one there is for the clutch push rod, and it's a mechanical seal, so I kind of need that one and that one. I need the other two as well, but I think I'll get away with those. Well, it doesn't look too bad, but I bet it's pretty rock solid. Anyway, so I'm waiting on those, and I can't really clean this all up until I've got them, because if I can't get the ones I want, I need to be really careful cleaning this up. If the ones I want do arrive in the kit, then I'll pull all of these out and give this a proper good old clean up in the parts washer and maybe paint it. Anyway, that's just all the fitting bolts, etc. But I've got a few other jobs I can be getting on with over the next few weeks. Anyway, it's been bitterly cold out, as probably everyone watching this knows, and it's taken me away from doing things on this engine. But I've bought a few things to be getting on with, and something I just got through the post was, let me show you, let me put this down. Fork seals and dust covers. Coming over to the bike, which hasn't been on show for a very long time. The forks were weeping really badly when I got the bike home. They were in a right shocking state, and you can see I took both calipers off, both dangling down there, because they were stuck. I don't think the discs are too bad. I think the discs are fine actually. They both seem to be in really good condition, but they need freeing up. So I haven't bought a rebuild kit for those, because just because they're stuck doesn't mean they need rebuilding. They probably just need freeing up. So I'll take those apart and give them a good old clean and get them all back together, get back on the bike, and if they've got no issues, no leaks, anything like that, we'll just leave them as is. Once I've got them apart anyway, I might just get some new seals, why not? But I kind of need to just wait until I have got them apart, because the pots might be really badly corroded, so I might need to order everything anyway, so it would be better to do that together, pots, seals, all in one order. So a few little jobs upcoming on the bike anyway, but I'm kind of stuck on the engine at the moment because I'm just waiting for the seals for the main shaft bearing housing, and until I've got those I'm not going to continue with any other parts of this engine rebuild. So and then we can move on to the clutch and all of the other bits. But I need to do it quite sequentially because everything kind of slots together like a little bit of a puzzle really. So you've got to do one bit to do the next, and so on. I need to order some hoses and things like that really as well. And there's a few other bits like crossover pipes and a few little bits that we're going to put on that we do need to clean up as we go. But in the main, we are getting there. But as I said, I might just give this a bit of a wash and brush up because it's not looking too bad. Well, he says, yeah, maybe it could do with a bit of a proper coat of nice paint and a clear coat. But certainly for the sprocket cover, I took all the paint off that, and I'm definitely going to leave that bare aluminium. But the little feature that you see on sprocket covers with the gear arrangement, I'm going to, I think, infill the back of that so that the numbers stand out a little anyway. So I've got some paint pens and some detail brushes and things like that. So that is going to be the upcoming jobs of the next few weeks when the weather warms up a little bit and I can get out in the garage for any prolonged period of time without freezing to death anyway. Temperatures have been well below zero. Till then, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, hit the bell to get notifications for upcoming videos, and I'll see you next time.